Hey everybody, so today on Tracie Reed Designs I'm going to be having a little bit of fun. I recently saw a video on my friend Tammy Anderson Art's channel and she used a bunch of sink strainers. So I thought, what the heck, I'm going to give it a try. Alright, so I'm just going to jump in and get started. Okay guys, so I am working on a 14 by 14 canvas and I am using sink strainers. Tammy Anderson, a friend of mine, did a video a while back. I think she actually used 9. I'm only using 5. I told my husband that I had watched Tammy's video and he went on Amazon and found a pack. The pack that I bought actually has 8 in it, but I'm only using 5 of them. Now there's 3 different ones. This one, and this one are different. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put Tammy's video link in my description so you can go check her video out. And I am just going to go get started here by putting the paint in the strainers. everybody, so the painting is all dry and I think it looks super cool. At first I did not want to tilt it at all. It just looked so awesome, but there was a ton of paint on the canvas, so it has to be done. I did try to keep the composition as much as I could, and I think I did a really good job. It did still spread out a bit, but it still looks really cool. I love these colors together, and I am super happy with my results of this one. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Also, don't forget to check out Tammy Anderson's video where she used all of her sink strainers as well. I will put the link to her video in my description below, and so go check her video out also. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also share this video, and have a great day.